let me present to you my painting trailer Pro uh, Rapid Pro. Yes. So next up is to hang everything on this and then we will paint. What a beauty. This is how it goes when it's the wrong day. You should have stayed in bed and not go to work. Then everything you do, nothing is going to work. Everything is going to break. It's better to stay in bed. So, but I will show you this anyway so you will know how it is. I could have done this job much easier with a boom lift attached on my mini loader, but I was taking a shortcut thinking I will spare and save some time here, but it ended up taking way much longer than do it the proper way. Uh, it's always like this when you're stressed and the cold weather was doing its job here. I didn't want to go outside bringing the lifting boom and stuff. Well guys, finally I have everything here that I want. So now it's time to start mixing up some paint and maybe pull this in the door opening and quickly paint over everything and then reverse into the workshop again. So Well, friends, now I'm done with the primer. So it looks pretty great, I think. But it smells like, oh, I'm feeling ill inhaling this stuff for 2 hours here. The respirator didn't take everything of the smell. But yeah, so I will leave this for a few days and then I will paint the surface paint with the color. So please give me thumbs up. It was so much work with this. Thanks for watching and supporting my channel. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.